I'm so pretty.
Our featured property for this vlog.
Good morning. We are on our way to Abriza Mall for the SM ba?
By Kingsman.
Ay, sorry. We are on our way to SM Lanang premiere. Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Yo, yo, yo!
Nag-record na?
Yes.
Nag-record din.
On our way to SM Lanang premiere to join Davao South Prime's General Assembly. Davao South Prime is the developer of Diamond Heights, a subdivision project in Comunal Buhangin, but 5 minutes to the international airport.
If you want to learn more about Diamond Heights, then you can click below.
Hello. How are you? Good.
Follow the teacher.
Okay, Dalinpuan. It's going to be a 6-hectare middle-class subdivision project in the south. Padulong mi dito para i-inspect ang site.
Hi, narami diri sa Puan.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's Monday. I'm doing the documents right now. Client namin sa Lara Park. Ito. And then check May lacking check requirements. Reservation agreement, contract to sell, deed of restrictions, other documents na kailangan namin i-comply sa isang client na naman sa Urayan Residences.
Alert from AOS Alert Manager. This NAT can't connect to iCloud because of a problem with HJ Hornages at yahoo.com.
Kapil po siya.
Email right now with this condo for lease listing appointment. Unit owner sa Abriza Residences. Gusto niyo iparent yung condo niya. Get the initial details and looking forward to client Michael. And then yung ano pa pala, yung house sa Woodridge is open for rent na ngayon. So eto. Yes, that one is for rent for 50,000 pesos a month. Minimum lease is 1 year. And then it's a really good house. So ipapakita ko yung drone shots, yung 360-degree shots, at saka yung facade, yung details of the house. So hopefully, one of you will rent it.
Atas ako. I am on my way to Santos Land's office for a meeting. Hi. Would you like to be part of my vlog? Dali na ko.
Perfection sa layo pa na just increase.
Hi! Ang sa ganito, ito ang ting wala itong travel. Sa to? Travel Galore team.
Sorry, ka-high-tech.
Pila kayo! Ang sarapan eh. Naulo ko.
I am with Miss Nelia Excursion. I'm here at Santos Land's office. We just had a meeting. Very, very excited for a new project, right? Yes.
Miss Universe.
Hello.
Our featured property for this vlog is the Windsor Palace Residences in Montreat's classic estate, Maa, Davao City. It has 1,800 square meters of lot, approximate floor area is around 700 square meters, 5 bedrooms. For more information about this property, just click down below and you'll be directed to our website. Thank you.
With Ate Amea Acosta. Hello. Hi. Okay, since it's my free time and I really don't have anything to do, and since naas Ate Amea dere, one of my favorite humans in the world. I-orient na lang si Katine about the newest project in Davao City.
I'm so pretty.
Welcome to the family.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Recorded na?
Yes.
Yes, naday. Okay.
Butang na to siya dali. Wait lang. Hi! Welcome to HT Realty Philippines. Since it is our break time right now, we decided why don't we share to them our newest project here in Dakbayan. So we would like
to introduce ourselves.
yes, of course. So I am Hannah.
I'm Bon, sales manager in HT Realty.
I'm Amea Acosta, sales executive. Hi, I'm Amea Acosta here in HT Realty. Yes, and I'm Rowena, sales and marketing head. At your service. At your service.
So, available na daw ang gift certificate ni Digol, pero siya ang mukuha dito diretsyo. Maato lang siya dito sa office sa DMCI. 5,000 worth to siya, ang Yahan GC. Yes. Oh, ma-pick up na niya. On process na. Lagi. Sa na lang. Oh, Helen, tama di ay. Nag-follow up ko sa karon. Kailangan maging ang name, no? Ako ang gi-check sa ato ang master list. So, matay na ito na na-record ng inyong sale, no? Wala ko i-record, so wala ko nahatag na pangalan. Therefore, wala ko nila nahatag ang update. Pwede mo i-send na ko sa imo hatong atuwagan ng sales record form. And then, mag-verify na ko. I-send ako sa mo link karon ha. Bye! Bye-bye. Okay. Work.
Dili kayo nagulat ang scanan. Paano naman kaya ta?
Sa meeting?
Oo.
Okay, send ko lang
Oh.
Power Ranger! Really? Sige, upload na.
Upload na.
Nag-create ako channel.
Pinasimple na sunod. Pinanay mga express.
Nag-create ako channel.
Oh, 5 ka channel na. Go. Board.
We're late sa assembly, General Assembly
A
ng PA.
little late.
Actually late. Dili lang a little late. 1 minute late.
Hear that?
is always late. Yes.
Kami masyado nakapag-vlog today. Sobrang busy kasi kanina. Pero, attend kami ng GMMM for General Monthly Membership Meeting for Davao Board of Realtors. Dito yung venue, Star Hotel.
Outfit of the day. I'm wearing
Di ko alam kung saan galing itong suot ko. Hi!
Welcome. You're a very successful couple sa real estate.
Char.
Tama ka.
Hi! Kamusta?
I would like to acknowledge the presence of course, over there, my friend, our beauteous former Miss MPLP, Miss Hornihas. Hannah, welcome, find your seat. Miss Mr. Engineer, obvious, members since 2015. The flower scheme, after all. So, photo ops, please.
Thank you.
Our past President Engineer Donora Gutierrez. Last night I was exchanging messages with our program director, and she told me to make it light. 5 years lang naman ang job namin, no? Ito, maganda to. Kay
The original.
Sir Pivot. Idol.
Bebot. Kaino. Mr. Nonato.
Monet Cutler.
Uy, Mark, kumusta na?
Don. Sol.
Hi!
The ultimate ma'am. Sir. Uy, kawala sa ako ah. Mushroom, chicken, og beef. Ano na siya? Frittata.
Yun. Thank you so much. And the rest will be lucky ones this time for our first round.
Thank you. Yep, I'm at the balcony Star Hotel here intentionally to have a time lapse. But before that, I will let you see the downtown area. That's Aeon Towers, Abrisa Residences, Alveo project natin, Abrisa Place. Tapos going here, Price Tower, Lanco Building, and then Pinnacle Hotel, Marco Polo Hotel, at saka yung Avida Towers.
Dagan ka wasabi mo gibutang.